Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Best Advice Ever channel, where the best advice is no advice, but we might get a little wisdom. Alright, so today I have received my custom bag from Rocksand Sews. She is an amazing master crafter of handbags, and I love being able to support all these lovely people who come in, and not only do they have this creativity where they, get with someone who is making these amazing designs and they come in and they make them and stuff, but they have good quality, I mean, they've got on point quality. And yeah, so I'm excited to open this bad boy. And this is going to be one of the last bags that I do. Later on, I'm going to have a series of all the bags I have from each bag creator and things like that. And yeah, it's going to be lovely. Anyway, let's go open this bad boy up. Okay, so here we go. All right, so you've got her information there. Boom, boom, boom. She's on Instagram, which is how I found her. And then, we're good? We're good. And then, oh my gosh, guys. You're going to, So the colors are a deep purpley pink, and for the face, and the background is like a space blue. Okay, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, look at that, girls. There we go. Now here's what I do is I treat each bag, I look at each bag as a very unique creation. I don't ever compare my bags. I don't compare creators, because each one, they do something different, and I love it. I love it so much. Let's see, what is this? So here we go. Here's this little guy here. It says, "Thank you for your order. I'm extremely grateful for your support. I love to see my creations in use. So please feel free to tag and share on Facebook and Instagram." So yay! There we go. Oh my gosh. And crazy thing is that this guy here, he's a sticker. That's cute. All right. So this, I don't think she's released this face yet, but this is a frosty face. Okay. When I saw this face on Instagram, I'm like, oh my God, I must have this face. Right? But look at that contrasting color. It's still dark. They're both sparkly. Oh my gosh, I love her. I love her so much. I mean, look at that. And then I like the strap because I don't like putting anything on my shoulders. And this one, I forgot the name of this one, but this is also a recent one. Now, she has sold bags online with this face before. She might have a bag or two with this face. I don't know. I haven't been on in a minute because like I said, I'm hoarding things, and I need to stop buying the things. But this lovely, look at that. I mean, come on, bros. All right, so now the busset and all that stuff, and it's that vinyl, so I love it. She'll be easy to clean and keep care of. And what's in here? So we have the strap, just a basic, black strap and everything. Now, before, the last custom bag I had, there was a what do you call it, a dust bag, and I guess this one didn't come with a dust bag. And the last bag I ordered from her came with a keychain too. So I don't know. Anyway, I'm happy with what I have. All right, so let's see. Anything else in here? Oh wait, girls. Okay, so I don't have a dust bag. So let's go see what we got here. So this is the care guide. I don't know if anyone's even going to want to read that. So this is the care guide for cleaning and wiping your vinyl bag and everything. Color transfer warning, all that stuff. There's the keychain. Ooh, so I got that last time, and now I have a little pumpkin. So there you go. So we got that. Let me open this up. This has my address on it, so we don't want to do that. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Okay. And she has a lovely little thing that says, "Have a lovely holiday," which I'm going to. So anyway, so this is my lovely baby. All right. Go forth. Live your best lives, guys. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.